So if you guys have been subscribed to me for a long time, you notice that in some videos I had a first gen Ram. That was my dad's. And the frame broke, so I had to get rid of it. And now I ended up getting this truck. This is technically an 89 W150, but it's two trucks put into one. The frame is off of an 87 W150, and the body is off of a 89 D100. So just gonna want to start a little series on this. It's my project. I've been working on this for around 3-4 years now. I drove it after I put it all back together, after I did the body swap, because the body on the 87 was shot. It had no floorboard or floor pans or anything in it, and it was all rotten. So I got this cab for cheap, well, the body for cheap from the other truck, and so then I put it back together. I drove it for a year or two. The motor was shot. So then I rebuilt the engine that was in the 89, converted it all to carbureted. It's all been rebuilt, new piston rings, bearings. Has a mild cam. I guess the machine shop said it's an RV cam. Turned it into a 4-barrel. Got the Elbrock Performance intake with a 600 CFM carburetor on it, with the all dressed up with the Mopar Performance valve covers and air cleaner cover. I changed all the lights on it now are LEDs. The headlights are LEDs. Had to put the resistor in for the turn signals and for the rear turn signals. This year I put in a 4-inch Skyjacker lift kit. That was this summer's project. Did that. And this winter I want to get the body all done. So I want to drive it for this car show in the summer this year. I got the box in the barn. Needs new wheel arches. Got to get a body shop to do that. Hopefully it won't be too much. I'm going to buy the panels that it needs to do it. I got the hood and all the bezel up there for the front, all on there. I have to put my other spare hood on there because my buddy kind of ran over my hood and dented that part. I tried to straighten that out by pulling the dent out. Didn't really work too good, but there was a little bit of a dent here, pulled that out, dent up there, pulled that out. So the inside, it's a big friggin' mess. But it's like the inside's not too bad. There was a hole under here. It wasn't that big, maybe just a little square. Patched that up when I redid the truck the first time. Just bought the mat from LMC Trucks. About these and the window seals about a year or 2 ago. Oh, and the door seals too. Bought that. Yeah, it's a big mess in here right now because everything's torn apart. I want to get all this stuff out of here, put in boxes, and put in the barn where the box is, because I want to take the windshield out and start working on the roof. Just get there's a little bit of surface rust on there. I want to start doing some body work to the cab because it's not that bad. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got put an aftermarket steering wheel on this. The original one's upstairs in the barn. And since this was a tool drive cab, I had to cut a hole in the floorboard, or in the floor, sorry about that, for the four-wheel drive shifter. But this side I got brand new doors and fenders downstairs. They're aftermarket, but Buddy had them on his. He didn't like the way they fit, but I don't really care as long as they're not rusted. I tried patching this up and didn't turn out so well because you need the body line here. I screwed that up, so I just gave up on that. You can't open the door from this side, but yeah, so I just want to start a video series on this. Right now I got the inner fenders brought to a body shop to get sandblasted. They're actually ready. I'm gonna pick those up. Gonna get them rhino guarded, and then after that I gotta do some body work on here. This is a little bit rotten. Maybe videotape all of this. This is all a little bit soft. Gonna fix all this. It's all big hole under there and stuff, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna fix all that. Both sides. It's no big deal. That's the only thing that's wrong with that. With this cab is that's major. And then yeah, like on the rebuild on this motor, I've maybe drove it maybe 2,000 K. I haven't really driven it much. It's all dusty and dirty and stuff, but yeah, I want to start a video series on this and see where it goes. Huge fan of these trucks. Like I said, my dad had one, and I just like these trucks. They're really easy to work on. Tons of room. You could sit in here if you want one, and everything's all back together. You can take a seat. So yeah, if you want to start my journey on doing this project and posting it, and yeah, so talk to you later.